Good morning. Myself Prabhakaran J, working as an assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss about the topic name is temperature sensor from unit 2, that is temperature and pressure sensors. From the subject name is basics of sensor technologies. Okay, let us discuss. Here you can see these all are topics covered by this video lecture. First one is principle of operation and RTD thermistor and thermoelectric effect IC sensors. First we will discuss about the principle of operation of temperature sensor. Temperature sensor work by detecting changes in physical properties that vary with temperature and converting those changes into measurable signal, typically electrical signal. And next one is resistance change, RTD thermistor. RTD means resistive temperature detector, and thermistor rely on the fact that the resistance of a conductor or semiconductor varies with temperature. And this is the construction of the details of the resistance temperature detector. Usually platinum material generally used, and its structure is a fine platinum wire or thin film deposited on a um, uh, ceramic substrate, encased in a protective sheet, which is the generally glass or metal. Uh, and next is lead wires are connected for measurement, and its packaging sealed for stability and corrosion resistance. This is the construction of the RTD. Also, here you can see one graph uh, for RTD, like platinum based resistance increases linearly with temperature. This concept you can see the graph, resistance increase linearly with temperature. And this is the formula for resistance value. R suffix T equal to R naught 1 plus alpha T. uh, R suffix T, the resistance at the temperature is represented by R suffix T. Resistance at 0 degree Celsius is represented by R naught, and alpha is nothing but the temperature coefficient of resistance. Next one is thermoelectric effect. The principle behind of thermocouple is Seebeck effect. What is Seebeck effect? When two wires of different material, dissimilar material, are joined at two junctions, and these junctions are at a different temperature, voltage is generated within a circuit. This voltage is directly related to a temperature difference between the junction. The greater the temperature difference, the larger our voltage. This is the Seebeck effect. And we let you peoples do the one small activity. The value of 3 hen is 60, and value of 1 hen plus 2 plate of egg, which is equal to 26, and then one plate of egg, uh, two group of banana, which is equal to 15. What is the value of one hen, one plate of egg, one group of banana, which is equal to question mark? You have to find this value, and find the answer, and comment me the correct answer. Okay, let me continue. This is the construction for uh, thermocouple circuit. The Generally, the principle behind the thermocouple, also known as thermoelectric effect or seat-back effect, it is the conversion of temperature difference into electrical voltage. This effect occurs when two dissimilar metal wires are joined at two junctions. Here you can see two dissimilar metal wires are joined at two junctions. One is hot and another one is cold. um, then uh, and those junctions are kept at a different temperature. The resulting voltage difference can be measured and correlated to the uh, temperature difference. Yeah. uh, here Here also we can explain a thermocouple consists of two dissimilar metal wires joined at two points, forming two junction. One junction is the hot junction, which is placed at the point where the temperature is to be measured. The other junction is the cold junction or reference junction, which is kept at known the stable temperature. The voltage generated by the thermocouple is measured by the voltmeter connected to the extending wires of the circuit. This measured voltage is then correlated to the corresponding temperature difference using standard reference table or calibration data. Here, no external voltage source is needed. Also, the thermocouple itself generates the voltage based on the temperature difference. The temperature measurement is relative. Thermocouple primarily measure the temperature differences rather than the absolute temperature. A known reference temperature is needed to determine the absolute temperature. Uh, Here you can see the assessment question for this lecture video. First one is, what is the basic principle of operation of a temperature sensor? State the principle of RTD. Write the equation for RTD, resistance variation with temperature. Give two examples of material used in RTDs. What is the principle of a thermistor? If you have any doubt regarding this video lecture, you can comment me. uh, I will answer you based on your questions. We will meet in next video.